got our roof sheet above the insulation. Then we've got Proctor wrap. We've got 6.0 bats. We've got our PIR board. We've got our clips. We've got our battens. Then we've got our gyprock. It's a huge process.
Mate, we're insulating. How good's this?
So each time we do a room, we like the room insulated and wrapped with Proctor wrap. Now the Proctor wrap prevents water from getting into the insulation. We don't want that either.
Fully open.
Now this year on the block, we're trying to achieve a 7-star energy rating. And to achieve that in the new area this year, we're putting in 2 layers of 2.7 bat. The standard house would have 1 layer, but this year we're going to many lengths. We're also putting 6 O's in the ceilings, and without Bradford, we'd have no chance at all of achieving a 7-star energy rating.